Get ready to be blown away by an incredible lineup of gadgets that are now within your reach. From an all-in-one kit packed with essential hanging components like wires, nails, and tapping screws, to the most affordable drone boasting 3 HD cameras capable of capturing stunning 8K photos, these mind-blowing gadgets are sure to leave you in awe. K10 Max drone. You might think a drone with a quality camera would break the bank, but think again. This one defies expectations with not just one, but 3 HD cameras that capture stunningly clear photos. Equipped with smart technology to prevent collisions, you can fly it worry-free. And if it ventures too far, bringing it back is a breeze thanks to its intuitive GPS system. With a flight time of up to 18 minutes, you'll have plenty of opportunities to capture breathtaking shots from unique perspectives. Plus, it boasts convenient features like foldable design for easy portability and customizable boundaries for added control. Say hello to a drone that elevates your photography game and opens up a whole new world of exploration. Brace yourself for a captivating excursion into a realm of innovation, where each discovery stands as a testament to creativity and advancement. These extraordinary inventions promise to revolutionize your world, offering unique solutions and unparalleled experiences that defy convention. Loop Micro Mount. Ready for an upgrade for your bike's phone mount? Say hello to this sleek and reliable option that's sure to impress. Despite its compact size, this mount firmly secures your phone in place on any terrain. One standout feature is its versatility. You can effortlessly switch between vertical and horizontal orientations with just a simple twist. Compatible with nearly all bikes and phones, even those with cases on, this mount is a true universal solution. And when you remove your phone, the mount conveniently folds up and seamlessly blends in with your bike, giving it a sleek and integrated look. Say goodbye to clunky mounts. This one is designed to elevate your biking experience. Aepa travel adapter. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying multiple adapters for different countries. Now all you need is one simple solution. With just a single slide, you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, and the best part? It's lightning fast too! This game-changing adapter is a must-have for travelers, boasting the ability to charge an iPhone halfway in just 30 minutes and fully charge a Samsung Galaxy in only an hour, as claimed by the manufacturer. Whether you're charging a phone, laptop, or smartwatch, this adapter supports various protocols to ensure quick charging for all your devices. Don't forget to pack this handy gadget in your bag before your next trip. It's sure to make your travels a breeze. Go hang it! Say goodbye to wall damage and hello to hassle-free photo collages with this all-in-one kit. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner, this kit has everything you need to position frames precisely where you want them. Complete with essential hanging components like wires, nails, tapping screws, and more, it takes the guesswork out of hanging frames. Simply choose your desired spot, and this device helps you mark the exact nail hole locations, ensuring a perfect placement every time. With a built-in level for added precision, you can rest assured that your collage will be flawlessly aligned. Best of all, it's compatible with various picture-hanging hardware, so you can customize your display without leaving any extra holes in your walls. Say hello to stress-free decorating with this innovative photo collage kit. Viltrox S05 RGB photography lighting. Who says you need bulky, heavy lights for stunning photos? Not anymore. This compact light fits right in your purse and works wonders for your pictures. Whether you prefer controlling it with an app or the buttons directly on the light, you're in control. With a robust battery that lasts a long time and the ability to change to various colors, This light is a game changer. It stays bright for a whopping 70 minutes and charges up quickly. Inside are 5 tiny lights that can emit white, warm, or any color you desire, resulting in colorful and natural-looking pictures and videos. Say goodbye to spending ages editing your photos. This light ensures they look fantastic from the start. Oh, and that hole! You can easily mount it onto your camera for added versatility. Zero pump. Picture this. After a day of thrilling outdoor adventures, you're ready to unwind in your cozy campsite. But there's a hiccup. Inflating your sleeping pad feels like an uphill battle, and you're on the verge of exhaustion from all the huffing and puffing. Enter the Zero Pump, your ultimate camping companion. This pint-sized powerhouse, weighing a mere 1.8 ounces with the battery, can fully inflate your sleeping pad in just 50 seconds flat. Compatible with most major sleeping pad brands and equipped with 6 interchangeable nozzles for versatile use, it's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Need to ignite a fire in a pinch? The Zero Pump has got you covered. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation ensures a tranquil camping experience without disturbing the serenity of nature. When it's time to pack up and move on to your next adventure, use the pump to effortlessly deflate your gear, making your camping experience hassle-free from start to finish. Prepare to be dazzled by not one, but 2 extraordinary gadgets that are poised to redefine your tech experience and transform your daily routine. RARTOP Electric Screwdriver. For delicate fixes and DIY projects, look no further than this portable electric screwdriver set. It's a game changer. Equipped with a cordless screwdriver and 30 robust 1/4-inch screwdriver bits, it's your ultimate companion for tackling various tasks with ease. Before diving in, check the battery life indicator to ensure uninterrupted operation. For added stability, I recommend magnetizing the bit. Plus, with the integrated LED light, you'll have clear visibility even in dimly lit areas. Designed for ergonomic one-handed use, this set also includes a handy tool bag for convenient storage and portability. Say goodbye to tedious manual screwing. This electric screwdriver set takes the hassle out of your DIY projects. Fleo Smart Wake-Up Light. Here's another fantastic addition to elevate your mornings to a whole new level of bliss. This innovative clock enhances the waking up experience by gradually increasing brightness from 0% to 100%, ensuring you feel invigorated and ready to tackle the day ahead. But wait, there's more. With the accompanying app, you can customize your own wake-up routine, tailoring everything from sound and volume to light color and brightness. Choose from 9 vibrant light colors and an impressive array of 16 million shades to complement your mood or room decor, and fine-tune the brightness to your preference. When it's time to wind down at night, the sleep mode kicks in, playing soothing white noise to mask any disruptive sounds and gently dimming the lights to lull you into a tranquil slumber. Say goodbye to groggy mornings and hello to refreshed awakenings with this revolutionary clock.